Common to subalpine elevations is the white-flowered rhododendron, Rhododendron albiflorum. Alba meaning white, florum referring to the flower. The species is also known as mountain misery. It can grow in really large clumps. So there's a pretty good cluster of it here. But referred to as the misery, you can see these kind of long, scraggly stems to it. When you're walking through higher elevations and trying to wade your way through a large patch of this stuff, you can tend to feel fairly tangled up, especially if you're a tree planter and it gets stuck all underneath your tree planting bags. But really pretty when it's in bloom, as rhododendrons tend to be. The leaves are whorled around the stem and have a fairly waxy coating, which you can see quite easily because we just had a little sprinkle of rain up here. On the older bark, it tends to be peeling, but these stems, you kind of see it on there, more just kind of brownish, nondescript bark. And then you can see the fairly distinct buds forming at the center of the leaves. Another species we'll see to pay attention to is false azalea, which will be similar. So I'll talk about some of the comparisons when we look at that. But one thing to note is definitely the waxier leaves on the white-flowered rhododendron. And it tends to be more common depending on where you are.